Hi there, welcome to my short video. This is the BREITLING Skyracer 45mm case sized watch. As you can see, it is a fairly large watch. It's 45mm case and about 50mm to the lug point as a measurement. It's made out of the bright light material for the case, and it has the rubber strap with the BREITLING B emblem on there. It has the sapphire crystal scratch resistant glass. It's water resistant to 100 meters. As you can see there, it has the date window at the 3 o'clock marker area. This watch, it does come complete with all the box and the paperwork. It's a fantastic value for money watch if you're getting into Swiss watches. Breitling at this price point, it's around about $2,000 for the in America roughly, and it's about $1,700 in the UK. So it's a nice substantial size, but with the bright light material, it's a very lightweight watch. Breitling normally at this size, 45mm, they're very heavy. Some people do prefer that, but this one is using the chrono-light material and the rubber bracelet for a super lightweight timepiece. This one features the caliber 74 super quartz movement. It's a very reliable and very accurate quartz movement. I understand it's not for everyone having a quartz watch if you're into Swiss watches, but it does offer fantastic value for money nevertheless if you are wanting a durable timepiece that does not really require that much service work down the line time. Hope you found the video informative. I couldn't find a great deal of actual on-wrist video footage of the BREITLING Skyracer, so I thought it would be helpful for the YouTube community just to put up a short video of it on the wrist so you can see what it's like from a real world perspective. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found the video informative, and I'll post up some more watch videos as and when. Thank you very much, and have a fantastic day. Thank you. Bye bye.